Hello viewers, today our topic is about the Junit tutorial testing framework for Java. Junit tutorial provides basic and advanced concepts of unit testing in Java with examples. Our Junit tutorial is designed for beginners and professionals. It is an open source testing framework for Java programmers. The Java programmer can create test cases and test her own code. It is one of the unit testing framework. Current version is Junit 4. To perform unit testing, we need to create test cases. The unit test case is a code which ensures that the program logic works as expected. Types of unit testing. There are two ways to perform unit testing. One, manual testing. If you execute the test cases manually without any tool support, it is known as manual testing. It is time-consuming and less reliable. To automated testing, if you execute the test cases by tool support, it is known as automated testing. It is fast and more reliable. Methods of assert class. The common methods of assert class are as follows. Void assert equals Boolean expected. Boolean actual checks that to primitives, objects are equal. It is overloaded. Void assert true Boolean condition checks that a condition is true. Void assert false Boolean condition checks that a condition is false. Void assert null object checks that object is null. Void assert not null object checks that object is not null. How to define a test in Junit. A Junit test is a method contained in a class, which is only used for testing. This is called a test class. To mark a method as a test method, annotate it with a test annotation. This method executes the code under test. You can use assert methods provided by Junit or another assert framework to check an expected result versus the actual result. Such statements are called asserts or assert statements. Assert statements typically allow to define messages which are shown if the test fails. You should provide here meaningful messages to make it easier for the user to identify and fix the problem. This is especially true if someone looks at the problem who did not write the code under test or the test code. Static imports and unit testing. Junit 5 allows to use static imports for its assert statements to make the test code short and easy to read. Static imports are a Java feature that allows fields and methods defined in a class's public static to be used without specifying the class in which the field is defined. Junit assert statements are typically defined as public static to allow the developer to write short test statements. The following snippet demonstrates an assert statement with and without static imports. Thank you for watching.